Ngathi Escotini Samaminzela 2-0 bapakania. How do you feel?
Yo, ngicala ngavi. Number one, ngicale appreciation to Chairman Ochipa for what he did with the Transnet School of Excellence. Number two, our police. Aye, I concentrated our police play of the season. Number three, going to the game. Sisokole Umbokazi sibona indawo yakhe but we managed to cover it. Speed to captain to Podlele Lentam. Pirates idlalile namhlanje. Even though it was not our best performance, I'm proud of the boys. Badlalile too much for me. I'm satisfied. I'm my own honest opinion. I abanye abantu mina ngithethela mina bafuna ngixolela amabhakaniya. Namhlanje sidlalile ne but there was that void. Yes, besides Umbokazi, there are some players, key players. I don't want to mention them.
So I just wanna mention Ukesh aka Makaula was introduced in the game. What do you think of his performance?
Babe ndikumzulu ngendigiya mntazakaya. Ungena kwa cash grounding. Uchithe nebhebe ndiphethe isandla nje. Yeah, chithe ubona kwa Makaula and I was so happy after such a long time.
And I mean, another player that we are currently seeing warming up Benchini now is Oli Sanda. Are you excited about his comeback? Let me give it to you because I see
Molo sisujani. Hayi man kuluvuyo kuluchuna umanco nokuthetha nami nawe.